Hello and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. My name is Mick, and in today's video, we're doing another unboxing. This is from a company called GRZZLY out of the UK. I've seen so many videos on this like gold flake oil of theirs that's supposed to be really amazing and smell really good. So I'm super excited to open this box for you guys and show you my first experience with the product. So I'm gonna use these products for a week after this unboxing, and then we'll go through all the details of like price, feel and beard, scent profile, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get out my trusty knife and start cutting this thing open. All right, show you guys what I've got here in a second. Let me close this. We've got a box here, and it looks like I've got a hat in here. So I'm pretty pumped about that because I've never actually received a hat from any company before. I've got a pretty big head, so we'll see how it fits, but just want to show you guys here too, just kind of like that GRZZLY logo, and it's a snapback, and it is one of those flat bills that Mike Cribbs over at Swagfather really likes. You guys should check out Mike Cribbs' channel as well if you have not already. So I'm just gonna put this on, see how that looks. I can't actually see myself, so I'm just gonna hope I'm wearing that right and that it looks good. We're just gonna wear it through the review here. I actually really do like hats. Despite you guys not seeing me wear hats, it's just hats are like so super crazy, ridiculously expensive, especially when you buy mostly like hockey hats like I do. It's just, and then the last hat that I bought is just like way too big. It looks kind of silly on me, so I haven't been wearing it. Anyways, enough about hats. Let's get into these products. So bubble wrap, super well wrapped so that this stuff doesn't break. And don't do like Tyson over at Faithfully Bearded. Always cut away from yourself. Less chance of poking yourself in the eye. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut out all this like bubble wrap unboxing, and we'll just get straight to the point here for you guys right away. Okay, so here is the Terry's Tobacco, and that's what it looks like here for the label. And then as you can see, there's a little tag on here. So what the tag says is Terry's Tobacco Vanilla Cream, tobacco notes, dusted with chocolate, topped with orange. So that kind of gives you what the scent profile is there. And then there's some stuff on here, but it's hard to read. I think it just tells you what the product does for you. So anyways, let's open this up and see what it smells like. Terry's back. I've been really digging these like tobacco type scents. So let's just see here. Get a little bit in. Warm it up. Oh wow, that's like a cigar type tobacco to me. I don't know if that's what a Terry's back is supposed to mean, but yeah, that's awesome. And this is more of like a medium, I would almost even say like medium to like heavier weight oil if you're into those like thicker oils. Oh, that's a nice little cigar blend. That's kind of cool. I'm excited to try that out. The next thing, okay, so this is the one that I've been just dying to try, guys. I don't know if you can see it on the camera there, but you can kind of see the little gold flakes in there. And they don't end up making your beard like shiny or anything, or you know, you don't get gold flakes in your beard. It just kind of all melts down, but super excited to try this out, get it in beard. So it says here on the label, 24K liquid gold, sweet vanilla, coffee hints, fresh citrus, and fruits. So this sounds like it's gonna be a coffee blend with some sweetness. So let's see what that's like. Look at those flakes, boys. We're gonna get some in beard, warm it up. Nice medium weight oil. Oh, that's very citrusy to me, actually. What was this? Yeah, fresh citrus fruits. Yeah, sweet vanilla, coffee hints, fresh citrus fruits. So I'm getting mostly citrus out of this. We'll see once I have it in beard and used it for a bit, probably warmed up and everything like that. But to me right now, this smells like a citrus type scent. It is kind of like a more warmer citrus, so it's not, to me, it doesn't smell like super fruity, even though it says fruity. It just kind of it has this kind of like warmth to it is the best way that I can explain it, and I think that's probably coming from the coffee. Like the coffee is kind of toning down that citrus. I don't really smell the coffee in this blend, but the coffee is definitely helping kind of tone down the sweetness of that citrus, and I think that's kind of cool. I really definitely like the way that smells. So super pumped to try this oil out. I've got the GRZZLY Beard Balm, and that's what the label for that looks like on the top. And on the side here it says liquid gold vanilla coffee fresh citrus. So this is the same as the one that I just opened up. And then this is what the balm looks like. Let's just get in there and see. Yeah, see, that comes out quite easily. It melts down very quickly. I think I'm really gonna like this toned down citrus. I'm super excited about this. It'll be nice to use this balm together with the oil. And then lastly, I've got another thing, which we're gonna pause because I gotta use my knife for a bit here. So this is the GRZZLY Beard Butter. We'll just do around here and show you guys what the label looks like. Now this one, I think this is also that citrus blend because it's got kind of that same coloring to it. Let's just open it up, take a whiff, and see if I'm right. Yeah, I'm definitely, and in this one, like just straight out of the bottle like this, I'm actually definitely smelling that coffee note on here. So that's kind of interesting. But guys, look at this butter. Oh my God. Like that just looks so good. I love the way that looks. Let's just get in there. That is just so creamy. And let's just do like a quick, that was the one rub, and then the second go, and it's all melted down. Yeah, definitely smelling the coffee and the butter a little bit more. That's really interesting. I mean, it's still the citrus that is like the top note on this one, and that's what's really coming out. But somehow in the butter, I am smelling the coffee a little bit with it, and it's definitely helping tone down that citrus. I can already tell this butter is just gonna really soften my beard. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Wasn't sure if I was recording. uh, so let's see what we've got here. This is sticking to the box. Oh my gosh. I have to use my knife. Oh no, I got it. And that is what that's what the label for that looks like on the top. This feels so good. All right, guys. Come on, dogs.
Perfect.